This is installation of the widget ceiling mount for Unifi 6 Mesh. You'll need the unit and 2 screws out of the box. The mount comes with 2 pieces, a template. You'll need a drywall saw or a 3-inch hole saw, and it also comes with the tool #1 square bit for the dog ears. Unit slides in, and it will only line up one way. If it's 180 degrees off, the holes won't line up. Next, we'll mark the ceiling and install the mount.